chicken consists of possibly maybe 2% of my diet. Pork is maybe 5%, maybe a little bit more anyway, and seafood is maybe another 5%. So eggs are quite often there. Most of my diet is meat, but we're gonna make this pretty much like a meat Caesar salad. We've got some non-animal based ingredients, which are arguable, but you know, you can include them or not. But I'm gonna show you how to do a little dish with this pasture raised organic chicken, some pasture raised pork, some shrimp, eggs, Parmesan cheese, a little touch of mustard, some apple cider vinegars, a touch of Worcestershire sauce and lemon, which all of these you can leave out. But we're also gonna make, instead of using olive oil to make a Caesar dressing, we're gonna use some clarified butter. So here's my meat Caesar. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna slice the pork belly very thinly. You can see I just want it in little strips so it'll cook fast. I left the skin on because I like the texture. You can also use bacon for this if you want, and we'll get that frying. The pork belly's frying, a little salt. So we've sauteed the pork. We're gonna let that cool down, and then we pulled the chicken off the bones, and we're gonna keep that separate. So we're gonna keep those bones, put them in the freezer. And now what we're gonna do, we've separated 6 egg yolks, badly I might add, but we're gonna add a little of this anchovy paste, just a little bit. Now we're gonna use about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I do a splash of Worcestershire sauce, maybe half a tablespoon. Now we're gonna drizzle in some clarified butter. Now the butter can't be too hot here because you don't want it to cook. And this is gonna create like almost like a hollandaise thing. So now, after adding the butter, we have like a hollandaise with flavor. Now we're gonna add our vinegar. Generally with oil and vinegar, you wanna do 2 parts oil, 1 part vinegar. We're gonna do this to taste. A little lemon juice. And then some apple cider vinegar. 1 raw egg with the white in there. Added some garlic in there. I didn't bother showing you, just chopped it up. I like chopped garlic, so I'm gonna let it sit there for a bit, and then we're gonna add another clove of minced. We're gonna add as much Parmesan cheese as possible. That's about right. So mix that in there. And there we go. Take the chicken and the pork belly in the bowl and add the dressing. Make sure the stuff isn't hot or else it'll cook the eggs in the dressing, but this is probably gonna be good. So now we've mixed it up a little bit. Now we're gonna add some more cheese. Added cheese, toss again. And there you have it. It's like a Caesar salad without the romaine lettuce. So we've got chicken, pork belly, lots of cheese, lots of good eggs, some shrimp. All right, raise your weapons. Let's try this out. Magic. Give it a shot. Stay strong.